Hello everyone, Lance Ippolito here. Let's get to the market wrap up for we're about the last 30 minutes of the day here. So let's get into why we're having this little bit of a short squeeze today on the markets, and let's see if this is actually working first. Yeah, so let's see why we're having this short squeeze of the markets here and what's to come. So today's one of the first days we've actually had Facebook start to rally very nicely here, uh, helping the Qs and a lot of the tech names rebound today. So we have Facebook up nearly $7 here, huge day for Facebook on a Friday. Basically, traders are looking at bullish price action into the long weekend. Trump had a speech today. But my whole thing is this. Markets are still where we have the Qs here. The Qs are trying to fight positive territory for the year. As we can see here, here's the start of 2018. And if we look, remember Monday, after the whole Stormy Daniels interview and gun rally and all this kind of stuff like that, people were thinking Black Tuesday. Monday, we had a big up day followed by Tuesday and Wednesday of a decline here. So we've actually, in the Qs, we're actually still red for the week. But if you start looking at the spiders, here we are bouncing at the 200-day. Again, not much. Even though we're up a lot today, and you're probably going to feel good going into the weekend with all the longs, we're still very choppy here. And if you zoom out here on the daily, is this something you really want to be involved with to get long? Or is it something rather to wait and see? Here's the diamonds. The diamonds are still down for the year here. So, today, just more observing here. We're starting to sell off a little bit in the afternoon here, some negative ticks, but have we seen bullish flow in select names? Yes, which we haven't seen in quite some time. I will make note of that. Names like Freeport, but again, it's one big green day out of many red days. Freeport bullish flow, FireEye 10,000 block bullish flow. Again, way off the highs though. Netflix, a little bit of bullish flow, but still, these names got a huge hit. And really, if you want to look at the dynamics of the short squeeze and everything, Tesla with all the horrible bad news, obviously it's been getting killed, but even Tesla today is actually green. Just goes to show you no one wants to go in short over the weekend. Tesla here with a 20-point intraday move. So, some people will say, go out, this is the end, this is the low. I'm still being a little cautious, me with the European financials, still think they're looming. Deutsche Bank's up 20 cents today, whoop-de-doo. Credit Suisse up 1%, all minimal. And if you look at the banks today, really not much. I mean, Bank of America up 50 cents. This will not, here we go. XLF up 35 cents, 1.5%. That's not a lot to me. I still think the banks are in trouble, and you have bonds raging up here to the upside, breaking out here in TLT. If you look at the inverse TBT, that looks very bearish to me. I think financials drag us lower, specifically European financials. So I'm not a buyer of the rally. Hate to be negative Nancy going into the weekend, but I am. Select call buying X Freeport. Yes, I get it. I think if you play names specifically and don't put all your eggs in one basket, especially as we approach Easter. Thanks, everyone.